hanging out, and Greg was like, is it possible to get across the country without hitting a highway? And I was like, I'm not really too sure. My dad has talked about trying to ride them a long distance before, and from there, it kind of just didn't die. It kept coming up. We kept talking about it.
Yeah.
And then,
I remember they were talking about it actually, and I heard them or walked in, and I was just like, I'm in.
Yeah.
I'm in. All in. Yeah, this is about slowing way down and seeing the country and camping out and being together. You know, Eli's my son and Greg's our friend, and we're just going to spend this time together, just riding across the country and seeing the beauty. That's the sound of glory.